Today I want to share with you a quick biscuit recipe, and I want to show you how to put together a sweet gift basket for a friend. So come along with me. You want your butter almost frozen when you grate it into the flour. My butter sat out just a little too long, so as you can see here, it's a little soft. I ended up just putting it in and breaking it apart into the flour with my fingers, which you have to do this step anyway, even after you grate the butter in. This is what your mixture should look like after you work the butter into the flour. Next, we're going to add 1.5 cups of really cold buttermilk. Be sure and almost fold the flour into the buttermilk. Don't stir really fast. That will make your dough really tough. At this point, you can flour your surface and flip the dough out, and you can cut the biscuits out if you want to do it that way. When I don't want to make a huge mess, I do what my great-grandmother's sister taught me how to do. She floured her hands just a bit, and she rolled pieces of the dough in her hands to make little biscuits, just like this. Brush them on top with some melted butter, and then they'll be ready to go in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until they're golden brown. Take these out of the oven, I brush on a little more butter. That never hurt anybody. These really are a family favorite. They're quick and easy, they're budget friendly, and they're delicious. wanted to do something to show her that we cared and just to love on her a little bit and to ease the burden of maybe just one meal. The first thing I added to the basket was a homemade quiche, and I'll post that recipe in the description below. Next, I added a loaf of homemade banana nut bread. Last, of course, I added in the homemade biscuits, along with a jar of some homemade carrot cake jam. This stuff is incredible. I hope this video will inspire you to pay it forward to someone you know.